Understanding, a ghost of a chance. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that often puzzles learners, a ghost of a chance. This idiom is a colorful way to express something, and by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in conversation. So, let's get started and demystify this expression. A ghost of a chance refers to a very small or slight chance or possibility of something happening. The word ghost here is metaphorical, suggesting something that is barely there, almost invisible or non-existent. When someone says they don't have a ghost of a chance, they mean their chances are extremely slim, almost to the point of being hopeless. The exact origins of a ghost of a chance are somewhat murky, but it's believed to have arisen in the late 19th to early 20th century. The phrase embodies the era's fascination with the supernatural while conveying the sense of something being barely perceptible. This idiom has since become a part of everyday English, used to describe unlikely odds in a variety of contexts. To help you better understand how a ghost of a chance is used, let's look at some examples. 1. In competitions, given the skill level of the other team, we don't have a ghost of a chance of winning the championship. 2. In achieving goals, he doesn't have a ghost of a chance of finishing that project on time without any help. 3. In everyday life, there's a ghost of a chance that we'll see any sunshine today, with all these clouds. These examples show how the phrase can apply to different situations, always indicating a very small likelihood of something happening. When using a ghost of a chance, remember it's typically used in negative contexts or to express doubt. It's not suitable for situations where there's a strong possibility of success. This phrase is perfect for adding flair to your language, especially when you want to emphasize the improbability of an event or outcome. And there you have it. A ghost of a chance is a vivid idiom that brings a touch of the spectral to describe something extremely unlikely. We hope this video has shed some light on this intriguing expression, and you feel more confident using it in your English conversations. Remember, learning idioms is a great way to add color to your language and better understand the cultural nuances of English. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.